SFI had categorically said, I have also said here that the incident, untoward incident with the finance minister, that is condemnable. We have condemned it, but no SFI people were involved in it.
Okay,
what I was trying to tell you, that the
No, they were just carrying banners.
Throughout
Those
the
banners
state,
are available,
thousands of political
the roadside
these
stuff.
offices of political parties, the way in which it has been vandalized, reign of terror continues under the Trinamool Congress rule. This is the true color of the Trinamool Congress. Nowhere during the left rule anybody has seen that opponent political officers of opponent political
Now my
parties
question
have been
is,
fired, they have been ransacked.
Now my
there
question,
are no examples.
Now
there
my
are
next
no
question.
examples.
No,
You can't
it is
cite.
quite clear.
You can just go on telling, but there are no examples.
People like that Trinamool councillor and people like your studio guest have no place in political parties.
So
Both of them have no place.
one sec, Mr. Dasgupta. Mr. Dasgupta, you see one point, a slight point of disagreement with you. You say the best thing is to curb down political parties. Come on, Mr. Dasgupta. You have been in university. You are a very politically aware person. I'm sure you were not politically inactive when you were in college. And if student politics is cancelled, even the Arun Jaitlys would not be in politics today. So, a slight point of disagreement with you. Now, my next question.
No, but look at the context of West Bengal. Look, West Bengal has been over-politicized to such an extent.
No, sir.
To such an extent that every particular function of society has been functioned.
So politics.
It is necessary for a brief period, to depoliticize.
No.
I'm saying not permanently or anything.
How can you say that? How can you say that?
Let us cleanse these things.
One second.
I can't say it.
My question to
Because there's been an overdose, there's been a debasement, there's been corruption.
Now, my next question is to Sujata Bhadra, a human rights activist. Ms. Sujata Bhadra, to mark the 6th anniversary of Nandigram in March, if I am not mistaken, activists, including you under the banner of Friends of Democracy, demanded the release of 4,500 people arrested under charges for Nandigram. However, and this is the question, did the same group formally join hands to condemn the political vandalism that has taken place just because you are close to Mamata Banerjee and you have acted as an interlocutor between Mamata Banerjee and the Maoist terrorists in the past? Should you go soft right now? And is it not, Mr. Sujata Bhadra, because of the inaction or the rather lack of response from human rights activists like you that this vandalism is getting encouraged?
Number one, we have protested even today, issued statement today.
What do you mean issued statement? What is issuing a statement? You had a rally on Nandigram? What is issuing a statement? Why is your form of protest different when it comes to the Trinamool Congress?
Allow me to speak. Tomorrow we are going to have a meeting and we are also making appeal because the party in power is responsible to maintain law and order. They should behave more with responsibility. They must restrain themselves even in a case of attack on the finance minister. The attack on the finance minister is condemnable. It is a part of the left culture that we have been observing in the last few decades. Whenever opposition was beaten up, Medha Patekar was beaten up, myself was beaten up by SFI goons or by CPIM cadres or by police, Harmat combined.
Your protest,
so all over
today,
West Bengal,
today your
so
activism,
it is not a new phenomenon. But one minute. But in a backlash manner, the way that Trinamool reacting is also not acceptable. It is condemnable, and we are appealing to return to peace, and in a peaceful manner. Everybody has the right to protest, demand, and fight for the realization of the demand.
Don't mind it.
So we have nothing,
don't mind it, Mr. Bhadra.
We take any organization demanding
don't mind what I will say. Don't mind it. Don't mind it, Mr. Bhadra. But this is a hypocritical attitude. Please don't mind it. The hypocrisy of human rights groups is evident from the fact that the degree of protest during lawlessness in Bengal today is negligible as compared to during years of left rule.
All human rights groups have protested today in a press conference.
It's hypocrisy.
All human rights groups have protested. Tomorrow we are also appealing and having a meeting.
No, come on. Jayanta Ghoshal, please don't go. I want you 5 more minutes into this debate. Ritoproto is responding to you. Okay, Jayanta Ghoshal, come in.
But what we are said, double standard,
I just want to a small thing I want to mention.
They are condemning the incident and they are exonerating
Sir,
themselves.
this paper
They are
condemnations don't work.
exonerating themselves. It is came out on
Sir,
the
the
TV channel,
cyclostyle
the
photocopy.
under the leadership
Sir,
of
I
Rishabh
don't.
Bhutto
Sujata
attacked
Bhadra,
finance
what are you
minister,
saying?
And now they are condemning
Mr.
the
Bhadra?
incident and exonerating themselves at the simultaneously.
Mr. Bhadra,
That's
when
a ridiculous.
Mr.
and most
Bhadra, what
criminal
is
part of,
Mr. Bhadra,
criminal
what is
part of the
ridiculous?
Of a students' organization.
What is ridiculous is
just-
that what is
Arnav,
ridiculous
I
is
just
that
want to mention one thing.
when presidency college gets attacked, you do photocopy activism. When the left is in power, you do street activism. You must think what your photocopy activism is actually worth. Jayanta Ghoshal is asking a question. Jayanta
Candle
Ghoshal.
bearers have disappeared from West Bengal.
I want to mention few things.
The candles have gone out of...
Arnav, when Mr. Advani was Home Minister,
Yeah.
there was a DG conference and there was a report on West Bengal law and order, and there was a state-wise statistics. And that time I got the report that the political violence highest in West Bengal, caste violence that is highest in UP and Bihar. And just few days back I met Mr. Sushil Shinde and I got again I updated myself and I got the report that still today the political violence is highest in West Bengal. And after Mamta becomes the Chief Minister, still the State Crime Record Bureau says that 100 incidents each and every month taking place. So what I want to say that there is a there is a DNA of political violence in Bengal.
I'm sorry.
And there is a peculiar
I'm sorry.
situation that there is a blame game.
I'm
Always
sorry.
there is a blame game.
Anindita is
that
responding.
TMC versus CPM.
Anindita,
but we should,
Anindita is
go
countering
beyond
you.
this.
No, I
But
don't think
we should
Bengali.
go
I don't think
beyond this
Bengali
political
politicians have a
I
violent
have
gene.
grown up in this state.
Yeah.
In this 34 years, they keep constantly talking about everything that is happening in Bengal, rape, murder of a student, vandalizing of universities, everything is blamed on the 34 years. I mean, that is why people change in Protestant's government. And another
but
thing is,
34 years is not a matter of joke.
I'm in my 30s. I grew up,
When Congress was in 60 years in power
I'm in my 30s,
in Delhi,
I have not,
you have to take some responsibility. 34 years versus 1.5 years.
Anindita,
You cannot
listen to
compare.
Anindita.
I mean,
what are you
the
talking
Marxist
about?
very
I am not a citizen. I am a citizen. Whether I voted for Trinamool or not,
I have
this
not
government
forgotten-
is mine.
I have not forgotten
Whether
the
I voted for Trinamool, it's
Bardhaman
not a
incident.
Trinamool government. It's government of West Bengal.
Saibari
And
incident.
in the 34 years you're talking about, I grew up without being afraid
And
of
when
going out in
Bhutada
the street.
Bhattacharya tried to change the
A
when the
woman,
different laws
I mean, you have to be a woman to know what it is to be in West Bengal today. The fear,
taking the
which
desert
I
is part
never
of CPM
experienced
and what
for the
you
last
have
2
done
years.
day before yesterday, you have
Anindita, Swapan
destroyed the
Dasgupta, last
prospect of that
1
new
minute,
CPM.
gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen,
I
we are
am
getting
very
into...
saddened to see that the death of a 22-year-old boy is being brushed aside as petty, insignificant, as a small petty thing.
Yeah.
My blood boils as a common citizen. I only met that boy for a few minutes on 5th of October last year, and those bright eyes, and when he was dying, he was trying to take the last breath, our Chief Minister and Police Minister
No,
was sitting
you
and
combat
clapping on the
politically,
Chameli.
but you should not beat. No. You
I
politically
am a
combat.
citizen.
But
What do you
cannot
mean by
beat,
combat
the
politically?
minister for
We
that.
have to wait for another 3 years to vote her out
Is
of
this
power.
is this a
We can
political
only
combat?
vote.
You go on in
Meanwhile-
rampage,
meanwhile,
vandalizing
universities are
party
being trashed.
offices, even
combat
breaching the
vandalism.
President's University,
You
other
cannot bring again
institutions.
vandalism in Bengal.
How?
Who's bringing the vandalism
No.
today?
I mean,
I mean,
to combat
these students
vandalism.
were attacked
you cannot
yesterday.
People
bring
know.
Marquez,
The reign of
Reid,
terror is
Neruda.
continuing in
They
Bengal.
watch films.
আমার হয়ে গেছে
One sec. Swapan
They-
Dasgupta.
absolutely.
One sec. 4
They
minutes
have been
into...
pitted
4
against
minutes...
Arabul Islam and Munnas and cows
One
of
sec.
this state.
Anindita Arnab
You
here.
know,
One sec. Anindita, one sec. Anindita
Yeah.
Arnab here.
Yeah.
I, in the last 4 minutes of the debate, want
Yeah.
you to respond and get Swapan Dasgupta back into the debate. You heard what Swapan Dasgupta said at the start? In a scathing
Absolutely.
indictment of 32
And I'm
years of
enraged.
left rule, Swapan Dasgupta very
I mean,
clearly...
My reality, Arnav,
Okay, you
as a
heard.
citizen of West Bengal, at this moment, is that I grew up in those 34 years, and still, except the last 2 years, As a woman, I've never been afraid of, going out on the streets or being late at night. You ask a working woman who works in Sector 5 or anywhere in the hospitals who work late shifts, what they feel when they come back. This is the reality I'm facing. This I did not face growing up. I'm still in my 30s. So I don't know where Swapan Dasgupta lived in the last 34 years, what statistics he's given, but in my time, I have not seen a 23-year-old boy killed in police custody and the Chief Minister saying it's a petty matter. And she was while the boy was striving for his last breath, she was sitting and clapping onto Chikni Chameli. She's the Chief Minister, she's the Police Minister. Why didn't she rush to the hospital? She is not the Chief Minister of Trinamool supporters. She's the Chief Minister of West Bengal, whether I voted her into power or not. So I don't care what Swapan Dasgupta is trying to blame it on the left. That is why people voted out the left, So people brought in Poriborton. Sujata Bhadros and other intellectuals walked streets miles and miles with candles. Suddenly candles have gone out of fashion.
Through beating
and this is the Poriborton we get. I don't have to wait. You need to say somebody I heard said it's 1.5 years. You mean to say I have to suffer another 34 years of this?
If you want to change the milieu, then you have to be non-violent way.